name is Héctor Posada. I'm a civil engineer and currently I'm doing a PhD at UPC, the Polytechnic University of Catalonia. Well, during my PhD and during my work within the ASHVIN project, I've been developing software and methodologies for generating digital twins. So I think I will try to implement this software in the construction sector for boosting the adoption of digital twin in the industry. I believe that the potential of digital twins for enhancing productivity in the construction sector is great, but there's still some challenges that we need to overcome, like the storage of data and the processing of large volumes of data and the integration of multiple layers of data in a common data environment. This is very challenging, taking in account the multiple stakeholders involved in a construction project. So we have still some challenges to overcome, but the potential of the digital twins in the industry are very promising.